Hey there and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll be doing some fan maintenance. You see, since I purchased a vornado fan a few years ago, it has accumulated a lot of dust, so it's posing as a physical health risk. I'm seeing its performance decrease and the noise is louder. Even though I'm doing this tutorial on the vornado fan, it should work for other propeller fans. That being said, let's begin. Here's what I'm dealing with. 3 years worth of dust. I know, it's absolutely horrible, but I can't wait to show you how it'll look afterwards. The first thing I need to do is remove the cover, so I'm using the tip of some scissors to release the latches. I need to remove the bulk of the dust, so I'm using this electric blower. Due to the loudness of it, I need to wear headphones as well as a mask to avoid inhaling the dust. With the bulk of the dust removed, I need to wash the cover and propeller that is still coated in dust. This solution I'm using is pine sol, dishwashing soap and water. Since the spacing between the fan cover is so narrow, I'm using a bottle scrubbing brush to get between them. If you made it this far, make sure to like, subscribe and share. It'll help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content that you'll enjoy. After scrubbing off the fan cover and blades, I just rinse it off with the water from the hose and leave it on the deck to dry. Inside the fan needs to be wiped of the dust, so I'm using a basic solution of lavender, pine sol and water. I need to avoid damaging the electronics, so the cloth is squeezed out multiple times so it's just that. To target the dust in the air intake blades, I wrap the blades of the scissor in a damp cloth and go up and down in motion until the dust is gone. Here's the final result, and they look like they're brand new. Cleaning these fans didn't take too long to do. I put on the propellers and covers and that's pretty much it. When I turned them on, they're noticeably quieter because the dust wasn't interfering with the performance. If you found this tutorial useful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.